popcorn. Here we go. Fried corn. I already started some last night. I got another one to make another. Proper way to cut the corn. You want to cut half of that kernel all the way around, and you want to come back and cut the rest. So I do half. That's how you do half. It's gonna look like that. And do half again. Set half all the way around. Half all the way around, so you're gonna get that kind of half. Then you're gonna go back and cut holes out of the corn loop. You wanna go back and cut holes. And you'll know the hole because it'll get down to the carb on the corn. You don't wanna let you go no further. You get all that off the end, and you good to go. See the corn all the way down to the carb. Now, I got me some corn scattered everywhere, so let me get this and throw it in the trash too. All right, we got that going. All right, so now we're gonna crank this skillet up. We're gonna put it on high. Put it on high. So the skillet can get hot. All right, y'all, I'm back. You always want to get you, I'm putting it like you see it, cream style white corn. So you want a little cream in the crunch. So this, we've been doing it wrong for years, man. We've been able to can something like this for years. That's how we've been taught. But the proper way is to open the can up this way. Like this. Watch what it do now, just watch. Look at the corn. Oh, you get all of it. You ain't gotta beat it out. You ain't gotta worry about no metal cutting down in it. All the cutting for the side. And the thing grabs and pulls all the way off. We've been taught wrong, man. We've been taught wrong. We've been taught wrong. Right, so you got that sizzling going. In my pan. I'm gonna add this butter. That's butter I use anyway, so I'm gonna use half of this. Get that sizzle like that. Let's turn my fan on because I don't want to blow y'all out. Get that sizzle going. Gotta get it hot. All the way around this butter. The reason you're going to use half because it's going to evaporate so fast because the skillet is hot. I'm going to get a big chunk in the middle. Like that. You got the edges coated. Put some in the middle. So, All right, now we're gonna pour in now we're gonna put in our corn. This right here. I'm gonna put it in without scratching it. Then I'll turn the high down about 6. So you want to get a good brown on it. Smells good already. Let for a second. We'll add just a little salt, just a little. In the cooking process, we'll add a little pepper, black pepper. Just a little in the cooking process. Put y'all in the pot. We're in the skillet. I don't know why it's so hot. We're in the skillet. Everybody do it different. My mom showed me how to do it like this. But she didn't really show me how to wash it. She used to squash like this, see all the squash. That's why you cut the corn twice. Makes it cook faster that way too. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a little more butter. Then I'm gonna jack it up again. Jack the heat up again to about 8. About 8, do another silver. And get real buttery.
Real good silver, you know. Forget the heel. It is silver. I'm gonna spread it out a little bit. Want to see some brownness.
We'll add our cream, corn. Can't eat it that way, raw way. You can add cream corn to make it more juicy. Like I said, remember how to cut that top off, y'all. Look, you get all of that out at one time. We'll jack it up a little bit again, about 9. You can mix it if you want. Well, once you got it in, you might as well mix. And while that's doing that, we're gonna sprinkle just a little cornstarch over it. Not much. Once I like to use flour, but just to give you a little crumb crusts inside. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Just a little. You don't want to make it so it thicken your corn. You just want the little corn crush, little crunch that comes with it. Alright, we gotta stir it up good. So I had to fast forward right there, let y'all see that because it won't be too many minutes. Now I'm gonna let it rest a second. And we're looking for a char in the bottom. We're gonna stir again, that'll be it. And the corn will be done. You see how it's simmering a little bit. Get some of the smoke out y'all way. Alright. As soon as I get a little thickness on, I'm ready to stir and that'll be it. Alright, alright. That's what I'm talking about. See the little stickling like that? You want that little crud to be in there? Actually, you can turn it off now. Turn that stove off. And you can just get your little mix in the bottom. That makes it that little crunch inside when you bite it. See that little crunch in there? Come on, damn, I'm gonna drop my camera. See the little crunch in there? Alright, I'm gonna move from this hot high. I'm gonna let it simmer on this last little heat that's left in it. Because I want it still to be creamy too, you know what I'm saying? You can't over dry it, you can. But you want it to be a little creamy. Put the little bread crust in there to the max. The corn starts binding and make a little crust. Like I said, we're gonna let it sit here. The rest of that heat that remaining. We have fried corn.
14 weeks, 4 days. Right on the cusp. That's my baby.
Fried corn.